Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system and nearest to the Sun, Mercury is only slightly larger than Earth's moon. From the surface of Mercury, the Sun would appear more than 3 times as large as it does when viewed from Earth, and the sunlight would be as much as 7 times brighter. Despite its proximity to the Sun, Mercury is not the hottest planet in our solar system. That title belongs to nearby Venus, thanks to its dense atmosphere.
Venus is the second planet from the Sun and is Earth's closest planetary neighbor. It's one of the 4 inner, terrestrial, or rocky, planets, and it's often called Earth's twin because it's similar in size and density. These are not identical twins, however, there are radical differences between the 2 worlds.
Our home planet is the 3rd planet from the Sun, and the only place we know of so far that's inhabited by living things. While Earth is only the 5th largest planet in the solar system, it is the only world in our solar system with liquid water on the surface. Just slightly larger than nearby Venus, Earth is the biggest of the 4 planets closest to the Sun, all of which are made of rock and metal.
Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun, a dusty, cold, desert world with a very thin atmosphere. Mars is also a dynamic planet with seasons, polar ice caps, canyons, extinct volcanoes, and evidence that it was even more active in the past. Mars is one of the most explored bodies in our solar system, and it's the only planet where we've sent rovers to roam the alien landscape.
Jupiter is 5th in line from the Sun, by far, the largest planet in the solar system, more than twice as massive as all the other planets combined. Jupiter's familiar stripes and swirls are actually cold, windy clouds of ammonia and water, floating in an atmosphere of hydrogen and helium. Jupiter's iconic Great Red Spot is a giant storm bigger than Earth that has raged for hundreds of years. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun and the 2nd largest planet in our solar system. Adorned with thousands of beautiful ringlets, Saturn is unique among the planets. It is not the only planet to have rings, made of chunks of ice and rock, but none are as spectacular or as complicated as Saturn's. Like fellow gas giant Jupiter, Saturn is a massive ball made mostly of hydrogen and helium. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun, and has the 3rd largest diameter in our solar system. It was the first planet found with the aid of a telescope. Uranus was discovered in 1781 by astronomer William Herschel, although he originally thought it was either a comet or a star. Uranus has an atmosphere made mostly of molecular hydrogen and atomic helium, with a small amount of methane.
Neptune, dark, cold, and whipped by supersonic winds, this ice giant is the 8th and most distant planet in our solar system. More than 30 times as far from the Sun as Earth, it is the only planet in our solar system not visible to the naked eye.